Natalie, can you give the goat the carrot?
What about your carrot?
Give it to the goat.
You want me to help you? Okay.
Yeah, give it to the goat. Give it to the goat.
Look what Daddy does.
Ooh. Yeah, go give it to the goat. Mommy's watching.
This guy's sneezing at me.
Natalie, give it to the goat.
Look,
Oh,
Natalie,
look behind you. Behind you, Natalie.
Right there. Oh, yay! More? Here you go. I know. Here you go.
Good job.